No, I lost my entire list. You all got no divided by 5?
Yes, sir, I got the answer. 1764.
Good.
That was a division which I got from.
But it is perfect square of what?
That I am just doing. Okay.
Do it.
42, sir.
Okay. 42. Perfect. Now the sum is in wording. I'm reading. Afterwards you all start. Huh? Question is, the student of a class arranged a picnic. Each student contributed as many rupees as the number of students in the class. That means if there are 10 students, each student will give 10 rupees. 20 students, each will give 20 rupees. No student, no picnic. No student. But 100 students, 100 rupees each student. So question is, if the total contribution is 1156, find the strength of class. Wait 1 minute. Let the strength of class be X. See, when we don't know, we say let it be X. 1 minute. Again, I'm reading. Student of class arrange a picnic. What is meaning of this? Mummy, daddy are not arranging picnic. Who is arranging? All the students. They said,
All
mummy,
the
daddy.
students.
They said कि हम लोग पिकनिक पे जाते हैं, मम्मी डैडी को नहीं बोलते, तो सबने बोला चल पैसा निकाल पैसा निकाल पैसा निकाल. So one of them said कितना निकाल? He said check करते हैं 1 2 3 4 5 students. Each of you give me 5 5 5. So they said no 10. Each of you 10 10 10. So can I say first let the number of students be X. Amount contributed by each student. How much? Rupees X or not?
Yes, sir.
But what they are saying, total amount contributed is how much?
1156.
Okay. So I can say therefore, according to given condition, see, one student, 1 rupee. So 1 into 1. 2 student, each is giving 2, 2 into 2. 3, 3 into 3. So X student giving X rupees, what is total? X into X or not?
X square.
So therefore X into X equal to 1156. X square 1156. X is square root of 1156. Not followed?
Yes, sir.
Now I'm finding prime number of this. I'm finding a prime number. Because I don't have space, here I'm doing prime number. 2 into 5 is 10. 2 into 7 is 14. 2 8 is 16. 2 into 1 is 2. 2 2 is 4. Remainder 1. 2 8 is 16. 2 9 is 18.
289.
289.
Yes.
So it will
We
be
can do it with. No, we cannot do it with 3 also.
17. 17.
Yes, 17, 17, sir, 289.
17 into 1 is 17. Remainder will be 17 into 17. How much?
Sir, it's 17. 17 only.
Because 17 is prime number.
Yes.
So I get this is equals to x equals to root of 2 to 17. 17. Therefore, how much will be my final answer?
34.
Correct. 34. So I will write in word last line. Strength of the class equal to 34. Method you all have followed? Okay. Shreyas, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir, don't erase this. I'm still writing.
No, I won't. Unless until you all give me green signal, I won't.
Sir, even I'm done.
Okay. Now, can I remove it?
No, sir. Actually, I was not knowing that we have to write it while you were explaining. I was not writing anything.
No, no, right. When I explain, please don't write. You pay attention. You write. Take your own time. If time is not there, I will take extra. Don't worry. Only my target is you all should get full mark. Say I don't have any setting with the teacher. You have to work hard. Otherwise, we'll say, sir, you know our teachers. Can you take the paper?
Danshu, are you
Sir,
done?
हाँ बेटा हाँ say.
what have you written below x equals to this 1156?
X is 1156. Then I wrote x equal to square root of 2 to 17.
Okay, sir.
And then
Done,
final.
sir.
Done. Final answer in word right down. Therefore, strength of class is 34. Actually, my board is very short. Can I clear now? Okay.
Yes.
Jai Maharashtra.
Yes, sir.
7-1. In an auditorium, number of row is equal to number of chair. Yes or no, Bittu? Number of row
Sir,
is
it happened, Bhavesh.
Achha. Number of row equals to number of chair. Just look on the screen. Huh? What is this called? Row or column? What is this called? Row or column?
Row.
Rows.
Row.
And ऐसा खंबे जैसा दिखता है, that is column.
Column.
This is called
Yes.
column. So they're telling in each row, I'm not putting chairs in row. 1, 2, 3. Have you seen chessboard?
Yes, sir.
How many squares are there?
32.
30.
9 or 8.
64.
32 are white and 32 are black.
So 64 are there. So do you literally count like this? 1, 2, 4,
No,
5,
sir.
6? No, you take like this now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is 8 row. So 8 into
So
8.
64.
So if in a row there are 5 chairs and I have 2 rows, then 5 into 2 or not?
Yes, sir.
So if row
Yes,
I
sir.
know, if I know chair in each row, just I will multiply row and chair. I will get total or not. Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Pakka samjha. I
Yes.
shop.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See.
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes,
I'm,
yes.
I'm reading the question. English
Yes,
mein. In an auditorium, number of row is equal to number of chair in each row. Matlab if row 2, chairs are 2. Row 3, chairs are 3. Row 5, chair are 5. They are saying total capacity of auditorium is 2025. Number of chair in each row. So number of chair in each row. Can I say let Sudhanshu understand properly?
Yes, sir.
Let the number of chairs in each row be X. X what? Elephant? X rupees?
X
No,
number
rows.
of X
only
number
X.
of rows.
Only number.
Or
So don't say, sir, X what? Elephant, horse, it is X only, it is number. Now, total chair are how many?
2025.
Yes.
2025.
So can I say X
2025.
into X is 2025 or not?
Yes, sir.
Because number of chair is row. Number of row is also X, na? Number
Yes, sir.
of row
Yes.
equal to X. Therefore, total chairs equals to 2025, which is x into x 2025. Therefore, x square equal to 2025. X equal to root of 2025. I'm solving this by prime method. 2025. Arnav, can I take 5?
Yes.
5 4 is
Yes, sir.
20. 2 is not divisible. 5 into 5. Now again I can take 5. 5 8 is 40. 5 into 1.
81.
Now they have not told which method. I can do shortcut here
Yes.
now. So
Nine.
therefore, yes, therefore x equals to 5 5 9 9.
45.
Yeah, correct.
Okay.
That is, it is 5 into 9, 45. But final na, please write in words. Therefore, number of chairs in each row equal to 45. Very small auditorium, I think. Number of chairs each row equals to 40. Once you complete, tell, huh?
Done, sir.
Okay, next is again slightly dangerous one. Sunanshu, done? Do it.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next one. Have you heard about LCM? How many of you have heard
Yes.
LCM?
Yes, sir.
What is meaning of LCM? Least
Common multiple.
least
Common
common
list
Common
common
multiple.
least common multiple. That means if I say 10, easy wala deta hu. 2 4s, LCM is 4. 2 4 LCM is 4, na? So this 4 I can
Yes.
divide by 2 also. 4 I can divide by 4 also.
4 also.
Now I'm reading the sum what they are telling. Find the least square number which is exactly divisible by each of the number 8, 9, 10, 15. So least number divisible by each of that number is always its LCM. So first you have to find its LCM of that. Okay, method is like this. Don't write. Sudhanshu, don't write. Listen.
No, sir, I'm reading the question again.
Okay, no problem. I'm just writing roughly here at the corner. 8, 10, 8, 9, 10, 15. So you want least square number. Least square means some pair will come that you have to remove if it is unpair. If greater, then you have to multiply. If it is least, then you have to remove. Okay. Suppose I get 2 unpair, एक ऐसा खाली, बाकी सब pair में. तो least मतलब इसको उड़ा दो. Maximum मतलब इसमें एक 2 डाल दो ऐसा. So find the least square number which is each exactly divisible by each of the number 8, 9, 10, 15. 1 minute. हाँ नितिन. एक 5 मिनट में करूं मैं, चलेगा? अगर अर्जुन 5 मिनट में. नहीं कर दो. नहीं मैं 5 मिनट में कर दो. 5 मिनट में. No problem. करता हूँ. Yeah, bye. Yes, dear. 8, 9, 10, 15 का I should find LCM. How many of you know method of finding LCM?
Yes, sir.
You all know?
Yes, sir.
8, 9, 10, 15 का LCM. 2 4 is 8.
180. 180. 180.
180. Okay.
No, no, sir. It's 360 the answer.
No answer नहीं. LCM.
That's okay. Let's see.
2 4 is
180.
8. 9 is not divisible. 1 minute. This is 2 5 is 15 is not divisible. Now we can take 4. 4 1s are 4. 9 is not divisible. 5 and 15. 1 minute. Wait. Don't be in hurry. As I said, कि maths ना एक time पे आराम से समझो. Then it becomes very easy because same thing is repeated again. Yeah, Shudhanshu. Tired?
No, sir. I was telling them means I again rechecked means
Okay.
after solving the
This is
LCM.
a 9. Okay.
But it was
fine.
correct.
Fine.
180 was not. It was wrong.
Again 3 1 as it is. 3 1s are 3. 5 5 1 1 1 5 is LCM. So LCM of 8 9 10 15 equals to 2 into 4 into 3 into 3 into 5. This is 2 4s are 8. 8 into 5 is nothing but what? 40.
40.
3 3s are so 360.
Yes, sir.
360. Just copy this much. Copy this much. Yeah, can I rub this part? Prime fact LCM wala part? Can I remove?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, full I can remove? Full? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, okay. 1 minute, beta. 1 minute. 1 minute. So we got LCM as 360. Now that 360 was multiplier prime number of. Can you tell Shudhanshu what it was prime number of? What into what?
Actually, I didn't hear the question properly.
I
So
said-
prime number of what?
Just now we got na that it is something 360.
Yes, sir.
What was that something?
Something.
Something. We got 360, na?
Acha, okay. 8,
Ah.
9, 10, and 11.
No, dear, not that. When you divided this 2
Sir,
4 this
2 into
2
Ah,
into
very-
4 into 3 into 3
Into
into
three
5.
into
2 into 4 into 3 into 3
5.
into what?
5.
5. Correct. Now, is this in pair, na? 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 5.
Yes, sir.
So this is in pair, this is in pair. Which two are unpair?
5 and 2.
So if I multiply by 2 and 5, then it will become perfect square or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
yes, sir.
3,600.
Yes. So 2.
Sir, do we have to write this?
One minute, wait. One minute. To make it perfect square, it must be multiplied by that unpair wala 2 into 5, that is 10. Correct? 2 into 5, that is 10.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, required number is equals to 360 into 10, 3600. Yes, Sudhanshu, clear? Okay.
So now we are supposed to write.
Now you can write, beta. Now you can write.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Homework is same sums. Once again, practice so that it will become perfect.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, this one only.
You want new question to be given? First try this only.
Okay, sir.
Sir, you
And-
give new questions, but of this type only.
I will send the new question. Wait. This time you do this. Then next time I will give you send you the set of questions.
Sir, tomorrow next class, right?
Tomorrow is Sunday, na? Sunday is
Like,
our
tomorrow
fun.
class is not there.
No, tomorrow is fun day. Enjoy. Next class is on Monday. Physics wala is Monday. If anybody is
Okay.
joining that. Otherwise, Thursday and Saturday is our.
Sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, after
So you have to go now?
completing this.
Yes,
No.
yes. Those who want to leave, they can leave. No problem. Next, we'll meet on Thursday, Saturday for maths, and Monday for physics.
Okay. Sir, I wanted to ask, like, I mean, after this,
So
you have
right
to,
now?
Right
we have
now
to
you can
take the
leave, no
square
problem.
root.
Yes, yes, Sudhanshu, what you said?
After this, you have to take the square root of this number.
No,
or
no, no.
we
They
have
just wanted what is the number. They